Alrighty, y'all, this is not how I plan to teach this lesson, but this hopefully gives you a good head start. If you have any further questions, just please send me a message at some point and ignore any cat or kid sounds. Alright, when we are doing composition or transformations, this requires that we know how to do all of the rules, right? It requires that we know how to do translations, reflections, rotations, and dilation. So make sure you know how to do each of those. When we're going through this, if it is written out in this composition order, we need to start at the end and work backwards. So, this is Knox. We're going to get Knox off the counter. So here we're going to start with the dilation. This is a dilation by a scale factor of 2. So we're going to times our ordered pair by 2. This gives us 14 and negative 10. All right. Then we do our reflection, y equals x. Remember, y equals x, we just switch them. So it would be negative 10, 14. 90 degrees, so this is rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. We always assume it's counterclockwise if it doesn't tell us. So we'd switch and change the left sign. And if it's helpful I can put a kind of summary on Canvas of all the rules so that you don't have to remember and go back and look at each one. But I'll put a summary up there. So we'd switch and change the left sign. So here we'd switch and change the left sign. So this negative, or this 14 is now going to be negative. So then our very last piece, after we put the negative with our rotation, is to do our translation. Remember that this first number goes left to right, so this would be 4 right. The second number is up or down, so we'd go 1 down. So plus 4 minus 1, and our final ordered pair will be negative 10, negative 11. Now, in general, you will only have 2 of these to do in a row. Sometimes you might have 3 to do in a row. You won't typically have 4. I just wanted to show you a refresher of what each of those look like and show you it should always start at the end here and then work your way backwards. If it is given to you in words, then you just go in the order that the words say. So rotate 270 degrees, then we would do switch, change the right sign. So switch them, change the right. Then dilate by a half, which means times everything by a half. Half of 4 is 2. Half of negative 6 is negative 3. And then translate 3 left, 4 up. So I'd go minus 3 plus 4, which would be negative 1, 1. So again, just pay attention to the order and get that finished.